Welcome to Financial Freedom Lab, the channel where we break down online income strategies that actually work. If you're tired of the 9 to 5, hit that subscribe button and let's start building your freedom. 1. Faceless YouTube channels, no camera, no talking, just videos made using AI tools, stock footage, and text-to-speech. Niche ideas, business facts, scary stories, finance motivation, luxury lifestyle. Monetize with ads, affiliate links, and even digital products. Brain 2. Digital products on Gumroad or Etsy, templates, Notion planners, budgeting spreadsheets, create once, sell forever. You can use ChatGPT and Canva to create products without showing your face and make passive income every day. T-shirt 3. Print on demand, design t-shirts, mugs, phone cases without ever touching inventory. Use sites like Printify or Teespring. Upload designs made in Canva or AI, and the platform does the rest. Bluebook 4. Ebooks with AI, write and publish ebooks using ChatGPT. No writing experience needed. Sell on Amazon KDP, Gumroad, or even your own site. One book equals income for months. Link 5. Affiliate marketing through blogs or Pinterest. Don't want to create videos? Start a simple blog or Pinterest page. Post content around one niche like finance or health and promote affiliate products. You earn commission for every sale. No face required. Bar chart 6. Niche websites, ad revenue plus affiliate. Create a blog around a topic like budget travel or AI tools. Use AI to write content. Monetize with Google AdSense plus affiliate links. Just a few thousand monthly visitors can generate a solid income. 7. Audiobooks plus voiceovers using AI. Use text-to-speech tools like ElevenLabs to create audiobooks, YouTube voiceovers, or even podcast-style content. Sell your voiceovers or audiobooks on Fiverr, ACX, or YouTube itself. No voice? No problem. AI got you. So there you have it. 7 powerful ways to earn online without ever showing your face. No more excuses. Pick one. Start today. And remember, the only difference between people who win and those who wish is action.